I dreamed of hot water. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
I'm a psychologist and I'll explain. A vision of boiling water in a dream may symbolize that your internal passions and emotions are violently fluctuating. The sight of boiling water rising up inside a pot or kettle and emitting steam conveys heat, which is interpreted as a reflection of your emotional heat level. While increased positivity and energy can be viewed as positive, if the emotions that are boiling are rooted in negative emotions such as anger or hatred, the dream may be a warning sign. A scene in a dream in which you are being doused with boiling water by others foreshadows a conflict or clash in the real world. It suggests that people around you may harbor intense anger or resentment toward you. If you are being doused with boiling water by someone other than yourself, it is a simulation of trouble.
Why do I have strange dreams?
There is a simulation hypothesis by Michel Jebau of the University of Lyon, France. The hypothesis is that we can simulate in our dreams the coping behaviors we need to take in the future.
I understand. I think that theory may be true.
To avoid getting involved in unnecessary relationship entanglements, you should be careful in what you say and do on a regular basis. What does the act of boiling water in a dream mean? The first action that many people begin at sunrise would be to boil water. This action allows us to enjoy our tea, wash our faces, and get ready to cook. The sound of steam coming from the kettle is a pleasant symbol of the start of a new day. To dream of such an everyday scene suggests new beginnings or adventure. Dreaming of boiling water suggests that you are more motivated to tackle something new after waking up, and may represent the right time to start working toward achieving your goals. If the sight of boiling water appears in your dream, it may be a manifestation of an inner desire for a new challenge. This dream suggests an outpouring of inner energy and a strong sense of motivation to not stay quiet. The person who dreams of boiling water has a desire to try something new. Freud said that we dream to fulfill our desires.
I am Sigmund Freud, an Austrian psychiatrist who in 1900 published a book called The Dream Judgment.
It may be a good time to start something, to put into action a plan that has been warming up for a long time, or to develop a passion for a newfound job, hobby, or sport. Even if you don't have a specific goal in mind, this dream can be an opportunity to explore something new. Doing so could lead to outstanding results in the future. If the water does not boil easily in the dream, it may indicate that you need more time before you are filled with the energy needed to tackle a new challenge. The implication is that you are motivated but need more time before you are ready to actually take action. If you experience this dream, you may want to think about what you want to do, feeling the energy welling up inside you. On the other hand, dreaming that water boils and spills over represents a sign that you are ready to work on it. It suggests that your inner passion and motivation are already at their peak and that it is the perfect time to take on something. Even if your goal seems a bit reckless or daring, you are likely to be able to overcome it with your current momentum. When boiling water appears in a dream, it often suggests a heightened emotional state. A positive interpretation is that it indicates increased motivation and vitality, and a state of enthusiasm for everything you do. However, if negative emotions such as anger or resentment are boiling over, it may be a harbinger of friction in relationships or health problems, so caution is advised. Dreaming of pouring boiling water on others may indicate strong feelings of uncontrollable anger or resentment. It is important to exercise self-control, as it is easy to lose one's temper and cause conflicts with others. Experiencing scalding from boiling water in a dream is considered a warning of getting into trouble due to over-emotional tension. Since emotions can easily become overheated, it is necessary to remain calm and look at things objectively. In addition, one needs to be careful of accidents such as fire and burns. Be especially cautious when handling fire, and be wary of injuries in daily life. If the dream of boiling water particularly emphasizes heat, it may be a sign of actual physical abnormality or inflammation, and can be taken as a sign that you may become ill. Pay attention to your bedding and what you wear, and be sure to properly manage your body temperature and stay hydrated. Overall, dreams of boiling water suggest passion and high motivation, but also carry the meaning of physical precautions and warnings of emotional conflicts. It is important to understand these dream messages and use them as a guide for daily living and life. Dreams are the language of our subconscious, a dialogue between the waking self and the shadowy corners of our psyche. Among the myriad symbols that populate our dreamscapes, water is one of the most profound, reflecting our deepest emotions and the undercurrents of our unconscious minds. When water turns hot in our dreams, the symbolism takes on a more intense, transformative character. A dream featuring hot water can also portend emotional turmoil or negativity. It may be a subconscious mirror reflecting feelings of distress, anxiety, or stress that are currently overwhelming you. The symbolism of hot water in dreams transcends mere physical temperature. It is a metaphorical representation of the various aspects of our lives. Such dreams could be offering valuable insights into our subconscious desires, emotions, and experiences that we might not be fully aware of when awake. The very nature of water in dreams can be a profound commentary on our innermost thoughts and feelings. Water in dreams often appears as a reflection of our inner emotional state. Its condition, whether calm, turbulent, clear, or boiling, can give significant insight into the types of emotions we are experiencing. For example, boiling water could symbolize a boiling point in our emotions or situations that are about to spill over. When you dream of drinking hot water, it could signify spiritual luck, a purifying experience, or even the need for healing. If you dream of someone else drinking hot water, it may be a sign to look more closely at your relationships and whether someone may be in need of your support or care. Observing hot water in a dream, such as in a pot or a bath, may indicate that you are observing potential good fortune or opportunities from a distance. It could also suggest a detachment from the intense emotional experiences that are currently happening in your life or in the lives of those around you. Dreams of hot water may also symbolize the process of overcoming long-standing fears. Just as water flows over obstacles and adapts to its surroundings, a dream featuring hot water could suggest that you are finding the strength and flexibility to navigate through challenges and fears that once seemed insurmountable. This dream may be a signal from your subconscious that you are on the verge of a breakthrough, ready to overcome hurdles with newfound ease and resilience. The heat of negativity. However, not all hot water dreams bode well. In many instances, these dreams carry negative connotations, representing emotional turbulence, lopsided thought patterns, agitation, fears, or regrets. Seeing water boiling or scalding in your dream could be an omen of the fear of uncertainty, or a reflection of negative intentions either from or directed towards you. It might be a subconscious nudge to examine and address these negative elements in your waking life. Premonitions and forewarnings. The presence of hot water in your dreams might also serve as a warning. It could be a premonition of upcoming challenges or a sign that something in your life is reaching a critical point of pressure that requires immediate attention. These dreams can be a call to action, urging you to cool down heated emotions or situations before they boil over. Symbolic depth of water. In the realm of dreams, water frequently appears as a consistent motif, its ebb and flow representing various aspects of our emotional, spiritual, and intuitive selves. The temperature of the water, especially when it is hot, adds an additional layer of meaning. Hot water in dreams could represent purification or danger, passion or anger, reflecting the complexity of our waking lives and the multifaceted nature of our emotions. Integrating the symbolism. Understanding the symbolism of hot water in a dream requires careful consideration of the context within the dream and the dreamer's waking life. Each dream is as unique as the dreamer, and while common themes exist, personal interpretation is paramount. The heat of the water could very well mirror the intensity of the dreamer's current life experiences or emotional state. Relatable experiences. To give life to the theories and interpretations, this section would include personal narratives and testimonials from individuals who have experienced these dreams. By sharing their stories, readers can find common ground and perhaps a deeper understanding of their own dreams. These narratives will be a blend of anonymous submissions and curated experiences that resonate with the themes discussed in this article.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psycho just explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.